The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has withdrawn its approval for the breast cancer drug Avastin, after declaring it medically useless. The decision was made based on a review of data from a clinical trial that showed that Avastin did not improve survival rates in women with breast cancer. Avastin, also known as bevacizumab, is a monoclonal antibody that blocks the growth of new blood vessels. It was approved by the FDA in 2008 for use in combination with chemotherapy to treat advanced breast cancer. However, the recent clinical trial showed that Avastin did not improve survival rates in women with breast cancer. In fact, the trial found that Avastin may actually increase the risk of side effects, such as bleeding and blood clots. The FDA's decision to withdraw approval for Avastin is a major setback for women with breast cancer. Avastin was one of the few drugs that had been shown to improve survival rates in women with advanced breast cancer. However, the FDA's decision is based on the best available evidence, and it is important for women with breast cancer to be aware of the risks and benefits of Avastin before making a decision about whether or not to take the drug. FDA says doctors can still prescribe Avastin despite withdrawing its approval for Avastin. The FDA has said that doctors can still prescribe the drug if they believe that it is in the best interests of their patients. This means that women with breast cancer who are currently taking Avastin may continue to do so if they and their doctors decide that the benefits of the drug outweigh the risks. However, it is important to note that Avastin is no longer approved by the FDA for use in breast cancer. This means that insurance companies may not cover the cost of the drug, and patients may have to pay for it out of pocket. What should women with breast cancer do? Women with breast cancer who are considering taking Avastin should talk to their doctors about the risks and benefits of the drug. They should also be aware that Avastin is no longer approved by the FDA for use in breast cancer, and that they may have to pay for the drug out of pocket. There are other drugs that are approved by the FDA for use in breast cancer. These drugs have been shown to improve survival rates in women with breast cancer, and they may be a better option than Avastin. Conclusion: cancer. However, it is important to remember that there are other drugs that are approved by the FDA for use in breast cancer, and that these drugs have been shown to improve survival rates. Women with breast cancer should talk to their doctors about the risks and benefits of all of their treatment options before making a decision about which drug is right for them.